Hi and welcome back, this is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm sharing a quick unboxing, demo, and review of this stamping plate that I purchased on the Wish app. It's stamping plate Sketches BP-X39. Let's remove the protective film. On the back it has a label with the Born Pretty store logo. I'll use this orange Born Pretty polish and the clear jelly stamper to test out the plate. The plate is very well etched and all the images pick up without any problems. This is another Born Pretty stamping plate that I'm happy to have in my collection and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!